Hi, good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good morning, sir. My name is Nia Christine Zamora. I'm 27 years old, single with a live-in partner, and we have an 8-year-old daughter. I am a college graduate, Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Physical Science.
How many brother and sisters do you have?
I have one brother and three sisters, and I am the youngest of the family.
Okay, please tell me about your working experience as a housemaid here in the Philippines.
As a housemaid in the Philippines, I have an 6 years of experience.
What are your job duties?
I do the cleaning, the cooking, and I also teach the 3-year-old toddler to do his homework, and I also take care of the newborn.
Okay, so you in one employer you work for 6 years, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so two kids, the newborn and the 3 years old.
Yes, sir.
So you're the only maid in the house?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
If the baby is crying, sir, I will check first his or her diaper if it's wet, and I will change it. And if he or she continues to cry, I will feed the baby, and then I will check his or her temperature.
Okay, if the baby is sick, what will you do?
If the baby is sick, I will check his temperature and I will put cool fever on his head, and then I will tell my employer that the baby will go to the hospital for a checkup.
Okay. If ever the baby need to take a bath, what will you do and what do you need to prepare?
I need to prepare lukewarm water, a towel, and a soap, and I will be careful for his sensitive part like the eyes, the nose, and the mouth, just not spill with water.
Okay. If the baby is very naughty, what will you do?
If the baby is very naughty, I will be very patient. I will teach him to count 1, 2, 3, and maybe we could sing a nursery song or the alphabet song.
Do you have a long patience for them and you're willing to find any way to catch their attention?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If ever you will go to Hong Kong and if you're a first timer, right?
Yes, sir.
So if you have homesick, how can you handle?
If I'm homesick, I will focus on my job and I will treat my employer as my own, and I will tell myself that I need money for my family.
Who will take care of your daughter when you work in Hong Kong?
My mother, sir.
Okay. Why do you want to come to Hong Kong?
I want to come to Hong Kong because I want to support my family financially, and
Okay. Are you scared dogs and cats?
no, sir, I love dogs and cats.
Can you sing a baby song?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So we could sing Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star, how I wonder what you are.
Okay, thank you. So if ever your employer you don't want to go to day off, but they will pay you, are you willing?
Yes, sir.
Can you assist the elder person, assist them all their needs?
Yes, sir.
Can you do the car washing without extra pay?
Yes, sir.
What food can you cook?
I could cook native food like Filipino dishes, but I could also learn to cook Chinese food, sir.
Do you love cooking?
Yes, sir.
Can you rate yourself in cooking? It's good or excellent?
Excellent, sir.
Okay. Do you have any allergy?
Yes, sir. I do have food allergies like seafoods,
What kind of seafoods?
crabs, shrimps, and
So what happened with you when you eat that specific food?
I could get a skin allergy, sir.
But not too much?
Not too much.
Okay. So if ever your employer wants you to do the marketing, are you willing to do it with
Yes.
yourself?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have tattoo on your body?
No, sir.
Okay. Lastly, what is your message to your future employer to hire you?
Hi to my future employer. Please do hire me. I am hardworking. I am responsible, and I'm good at cleaning, visiting, and taking care of your toddler. And I will do a good job in my job.
Can you promise to finish your 2 years contract?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. See you in Hong Kong.
Thank you.